In this video, I want to go over what a customer can use their account page for. There are some features that are in there that may be helpful to speed up the ordering process and checkout. So I want to take some time just to go over that. So first off, when you come to the Essex Brownell homepage here, you'll just want to sign in under your account. It'll be your specific email, and then the password that you have set up previously to log in. So once you're logged in, you'll see up here your name. So welcome, your first name typically. All right, where we function, and we've done other videos on how to order, how to search, how to use warehouse selector so that you can get your inventory in the quickest way possible. But one of the areas that I don't think we've really talked about is the account. And that's right here to the left of the logout and to the right of your name. If you click on the account, you're going to get to your dashboard. And this dashboard is going to expand. It's going to be the place where we add different features for our customers for quick access to information, shipping, invoicing. Currently, we now have just your contact information. This is where you would go to change your password if you wanted to update your password. In the My Orders, this is going to show you all your previous orders that you have made. At this place, you can view them, so you can actually see what you ordered and the shipping info, where they went, the date, and the pricing of that previous order. From here, you can copy to the shopping cart, which would just take this order and put it right into the shopping cart, or you can do a quick reorder of that. So that's My Orders, and that'll show you all previous orders. It's a lot of times helpful to go here just so that you can have a look and see, okay, what did I order, and can I go ahead and just quickly add it to the cart and do it again. This is an additional feature called Saved Orders, and we'll go through how this could actually work. But this is some previously saved orders that you do inside of the shopping cart. So you can view those as well, and that just shows you the price that when you ordered them and the quantities that you had ordered. So from here, you can do a quick order, which takes you right to the checkout. You can change the shipping address there, or you can copy to the cart so you can manipulate it as well. Wishlist, we'll hit on this a little bit. Wishlist has to do with adding specific products that you might run across as you're shopping. You might want to go ahead and just throw those into the wish list for future reference. It's maybe a product that you didn't realize that we carried, or it's something that you might want to investigate more later on. You go ahead and add that to your wish list, and then from there you can either click on them, have a deeper dive into that product by title, where the inventory is sitting in our warehouses, as well as the attributes and more description and spec downloads as they become available. At any time when you jump out of the account, you can simply get there again just by going to the account page, and then you'll see the layered menu here on the left. Company profile is just your company information, and then address book would contain your various shipping addresses in there. But I kind of want to focus a little bit on the saved orders here in this video. So if we happen to go to the cart directly, a lot of times this can be a quick place just to get started if you happen to know the particular SKUs you're working with and that you'd like to order. But let's just say you happen to have a particular SKU of a paint that you liked. You can simply use the quick order box, and you might have a list of SKUs. Once you paste them in there, it should search them up, and you should see directly the various SKUs that we have. So let's say this one in particular, and you would like a couple of those, and you go ahead and just directly from here add it to cart. It's going to go ahead and stick that in your cart directly. You then can say, okay, this is going to be shipping from my default location, which this customer is set up for Denver. If you would happen to want to edit it, you can jump in here and you can pick from any location you want it to ship from. If in fact you have another ship to address and you happen to find that your ship to address happens to be in Illinois somewhere, you might want to select the inventory just to ship from Illinois to get there a little quicker. But if we just continue to add a few things right here, we'll just go through this. Okay, you can see we have the cart updated here, and we spent a little bit of time going ahead and adding these products directly from the quick order via SKU, but using that method did help quite a bit. You can see there's a few items here showing out of stock. What we can have a look at here is this is defaulting by Denver. Let's go ahead and hit the edit. So these are out of stock items. If you hover over this, it will tell you there is a lead time of 30 days on these items. This one, the same, 30 days. There is no inventory in any of our warehouses right now, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to be available. There's just a little bit of a lead time to get those in. But all this is in here at this point. You can, of course, proceed to checkout and go ahead and confirm your order and send it through. But one thing I want to let customers know, that if this is something of a regular order, or these are products that you typically could need on a month-to-month or quarterly basis, a helpful thing here would be to use the Save Order button. Once you click Save Order, it just lets you give it a name, typical stock order, let's say, and that's your order title, and you confirm that. What it does is it saves it now into your account under saved orders. So if we go there and we look at the account and we look at saved orders, you'll see it's right here, for instance. Okay, so we can always have a look and see what was in that order, what the status of that SKU was at the time we did order, and we can copy that to cart from here, or just do a quick order. If we're not going to change quantity or anything else, just add it right to the quick order confirmation page and send and click place order. If we go back to saved order, you can also, from this line, you can view it like we just did. You can actually move it to quick order, or you can add it to cart here, or delete the order off of your saved orders. So for instance, let's say we did place this order today, we did save it for the orders. I'm going to go ahead and remove these items out of the cart at this time. So the cart is empty. You've placed that order. Let's say you come back in a month or so and you go ahead and go to saved orders, and you just from right here copy that to cart. It goes ahead and puts it right here, that exact same order, quickly. Saves you all the time for searching for those SKUs. From here, you can look at out of stock. Possibly these are in stock at a different location as well, so you can then edit the warehouse and get that stock coming to you quicker. Whatever it does, when it adds it to the cart, it will update and check all pricing and stock quantities at that time. From this point, you might say, well, I don't need these, so you can go ahead and remove those from the cart. Items are removed from the cart. And you might want to change quantity of a few others, get it up a little bit more, and hit update cart at this time. And, that will always show you the status of what's going on in your cart right here with this little flag. So that's all updated, and now you can just go ahead and proceed to checkout. You can create a new shipping address if you want it to ship to another location, or just keep it the same as billing. Add your purchase order number here and go ahead and place that order, and you'll get an order confirmation from that. So, and there was one other thing I was going to show you. If you happen to be searching and looking for particular products, let's just go ahead and say you are looking for paint. You can see we got various things, and you're searching along and you say, oh, I didn't know that this was available. You can go ahead here in the list and click add to wish list. And then anytime you see your list and this is highlighted in blue like this, it will be in your wish list. You can also, if you happen to be looking at it from the product display page itself, this one being out of stock, but you kind of want to watch it, here's the add to wish list button. And then that has been added to the wish list. So if we go to the account page and we look at the wish list, you can see that these have been added now to your wish list. And from here, you can simply go in here at different times and just say, add that to cart. I want to add this item to cart. I'd like to change the quantity of this and add that to cart. There's a quick way here from the wish list that you can also put things in the cart as well. So now you can see that they are in. So there's a saved order, and then you've also added things from the wish list. And you can see that these are wish listed items because they are highlighted and they're red. So that you know that those are actually saved in your wish list, which you can modify as well from the account page. This is just a quick overview of what happens in a customer's account page and how you can utilize that. The biggest thing being saved orders. So all these are just kind of quicker ways to get your order into the cart. There's a few other features that we're going to be adding in the future, and we will be creating these videos, tutorial videos for those as well. But appreciate your time, and thank you very much.